Man, I just woke up. Just woke up. Good to see, good to see. It's good to see, good to see. Let's take a look, see. Not too shabby, up 12.5 grand. I'll take it on this account. On the other account, I'm up like 3,300. Got a good little shout out to Pro. These fucking beats are fire. Fire. Discord is flooded. Time to answer some Discord messages here. This channel is about murdering Bitcoin and making more. And it's also about knowing what's going to happen before it happens. This is a serious channel for adults. Although we love to laugh and have fun, because we laugh to the bank, trust me. But I believe this channel is the greatest kept secret in crypto. That's what I believe. I don't know, this might be a point to take some profit, boy. Might have to take some profit, boy. We might have to take some profit, boy. Way to go, 3K in 2 days, good job, bro. Let's see if, let's see these fucking profit logs. Oh shit. So I've got some more profit logs. Let's see what people are making. Nice, dude. 460, nice, dude. I mean, you think just one trade basically pays for half a cipher. Boom. 418, nice. $1,000 on this one, good job. About the same on that one, good job. I don't know, I guess it could happen earlier than I thought. Like, I don't know, I thought we'd see 12K in 15 days, what, 3 or 4 days ago? 4 days ago? We knew every day would be, what did I say? I said every day would be closing higher and higher at an exponential rate than the previous day. Yippee-ki-yay. Oh my God, look at this, is making a beautiful, this is gonna turn, you'll see, this will turn into a Chinese trumpet. You'll see. You'll see. It's gonna be a nice Chinese trumpet. Then like it'll close in like that, and probably continue. Anyone who is telling you that this was a Head and Shoulders, unsubscribe, or they do not know why. Okay, let's see here. I have to answer all these messages. People have paid for Market Cipher and they pay for the Whale Crew while I'm sleeping. So I gotta make sure I handle it when I wake up. You know, I don't want people waiting too long. I haven't even had any coffee. I haven't even drinking any water. I just woke up. That was a good song. That was some hard style shit. I'm ready to take some E-pills and go down in the jungle rave. Whoops. Damn, 9027, huh? If you haven't seen the Crow shout out, it's pretty good. Pretty good.
I lose track of my days, people. But I figured, you know, I guess now is a good time. After everybody else has kind of had their way with the latest news, I figure I'd go over some of it and show you guys some stuff. Finally getting over this cold, man. I'm clearing up, but I'm still not 100% out of the woods. Is this the 100 or the 10K run? I think it could be. I really do think it could be. So right now what you're seeing, this is a 4-hour chart, and we're still looking very, very pretty at 87, 67. And this guy, he's been on my channel in the past, Crypto Face. He was messaging me on Telegram. He's like, "Hey Crow, I got this indicator. I really want you to check out. I think you'll really like it." And I was a little apprehensive, and and I only say this, and this is no insult to Crypto Face. It's just really difficult for me personally to take someone seriously that covers themselves up like Batman or something, and like. I'm just kind of like, why is this dude all like? What is the deal with some of these guys that cover their faces up so much? I'm like,
rather be rich than famous, baby.
Is it because like they're shady, or is it like what are they real? Like I talked to one guy at a convention in New York, and he was like, everybody thinks he's me, because he has a real deep voice and he never shows his face. Guys like Crypto Kirby, no idea what the guy looks like. And you know, and I told Crypto Face, I'm like, look, dude, are you still covering your face all the time? And he's like, yeah, man. He's like, I get threats all the time for this or that. And I'm just thinking, okay. So anyway, but I started checking out. He actually invited me on TradingView to check out his indicator, and I was looking at his indicator, and then he sent me a video to explain like how to use it, and I was actually thoroughly impressed. And so I'm actually going to start using it. I mean, if anything, it's just another way to confirm what is happening. And basically, this is called Market Cipher. And if you Google Market Cipher, there's Crypto Face with a surgical mask. It just cracks me up. I can't help it. I'm a grown-ass man. I can't cover my face like that. But anyway, if you, hopefully, you know, he has fun with my giving him a hard time. But anyway, this is called Market Cipher. If you Google it, it's crypto.com, and it's on his blog, and it shows you that there's 3 different indicators, and I'm only using the one. The indicator's kind of pricey at 0.1 Bitcoin, I'm not gonna lie. And he's not paying me to tell you folks this. It's not an affiliate anything. I'm just always on the lookout for cool tools that help people, and this looks like it could be one. And I'm still messing with it. I just started messing around with this. But basically what this is you're looking for a divergence, either up or down. And in that, what you're looking for is like 2 humps and then a down.
Man, I'm digging this right now. I'm digging this. Answering these messages, the fucking radio is booming.
Downward slope. So so like for example, here. So I'm just looking at the bottom here. I'm not even looking at the top because I'm just to see if I'm right. But basically, you're looking for like one big hump and then another hump. And then when the other hump is confirmed, you'll see this light blue, like this has been confirmed. So basically what this is saying is price action is kind of going down, and then it's going to start coming up. And it's going to start going up right about here. And so if I click here, and then I follow this up, we see an up. We see the price action going up, and it peaked at around 8,100, and then it started to come back down. Now, what I haven't figured out, if I zoom in a lot, now this is on a 4-hour, and this is supposed to be, you're supposed to be able to use this on just about any stock, anything that's on the market. And I don't know, like, what if these are EMAs. I haven't dove too deep into it yet. I've just been kind of back testing, looking at some of the signals, like what's happening. But you know, there are videos of him where he's gone back, way back, and kind of like tested. I mean, this would be a real big one. Maybe this is a real big divergence, but it doesn't really go anywhere, so I wouldn't necessarily count that. But you get the idea. Like, oh, there's one, and I'm not sure what I just clicked on. So like this could be one, 2, and then it's kind of confirmed down
What's up,
here.
Saint?
It did go on a huge downtrend there. So you get the idea. And this isn't something that, I mean, I guess technically you would use it for scalping trades, but the way the market ebbs and flows, you might only get so many signals. But what I did find that I thought was interesting about this indicator is it seems to coincide pretty well with Market God. So
I don't know what Market God is, but I feel like I've heard of it. Someone else has mentioned this to me before. He's the second person to bring that up.
And when a divergence is confirmed, typically these confirmations spawn sell or buy triggers with a Market God indicator. And that's one thing that I kind of discovered playing around. And I thought that was pretty interesting. So obviously all these indicators are kind of measuring similar things in the market to basically dictate potential future price action. And so I'm going to be diving more into this, but I really kind of like it. And I just think it looks nice. So yeah, expect to start seeing more of that. The indicator is Market Cipher by CryptoFace. It costs 0.1 Bitcoin. Yes, Natalie, I've gone over that. Thank you. So anyway, if you're interested, check it out, play with it. I think they have I think he has a trial. I'm not sure.
We have a trial between my left and my right nut. You can give that a try.
I listened to you while driving my lorry. Well, that's good, Barks. Cardano. Yes, we're gonna get into that a bit. So anyway, that's the CryptoFaces Market Cipher indicator. Just giving them a little friendly plug there, helping them out. All I know is if he ever wants to come on my channel and talk about it, we might have to see his face.
I know exactly what we're gonna do too. Trust me. I'm gonna tell him, say, listen, Crow, all right, I'll take the mask off. But best you believe I'm gonna be wearing 2 masks. I'm only taking off 1. Boom! See if he takes me off. So you gonna keep are we done here? You tell me we done here? Anyways, thanks, Crow. Yes, Sid. I know, puppy. I'm almost done. Smell my armpit, Sid. Let's see. Hi, CryptoFace. My name is XX. I am a quiet, disabled grandma with only blank to my name. I would love to join your programs, and that is what I've been saving for. I've watched one of your videos that you are offering a discount for the handicapped. Not sure what I would need to prove I'm disabled to get a discount, because what I have are invisible except RSD when in a flare-up, which affects the central nervous system and is said to be one of the most painful out there. Mine is in my feet, and I am wheelchair bound most times, but do go into remission for short periods. I have one foot in remission and the other just mildly affected right now, but can change any day, and my remissions are just a few weeks. But it is a nice break from the daily severe burning pain. My other is called scardosis, and it affects your organs. Mine is mostly in my lungs. There's lots of difficulty in breathing, and now moved a bit to my kidneys. I am on oxygen and beating meds that help slightly. Both these conditions are rare. Not many people know about either of them. I'm not able to get government assistance because I owe back taxes. Right now we are living off my 67-year-old husband's job, which pays the bills, and to buy about $20 in Bitcoin bills, and to buy about $20 in Bitcoin. Even if I could earn a few hundred a month, that would be a godsend. I have not joined Bybit because without knowing what to do, I know I would lose the little I have. Please consider letting me know. Thanks, Faye. This picture of my feet. This is fairly mild. You know, it's tough. It's hard when these people tell me that they don't have much to risk, and like how much. It's a risky game, man. It's a risky game. Like, the last thing I want to do is lose money, you know, for someone that. That's kind of a big order. It's a tall order. You know what I'm saying? thinking. I'm thinking. Flapping flounders, that's a good one, Tito. I mean, I'm more than happy to get Groper on her. And like I said, I'm more than happy to like help, you know what I mean? But it doesn't help me when people kind of tell me how like they lost almost everything or everything and like they got wrecked and they barely have anything. I'm like, fuck, man, like, you know, like what if something I say is wrong? Like I've been wrong before, you know, and it would suck if you know, the time I was wrong again. Yeah, you know, maybe she doesn't have to trade with money. I guess maybe she can paper trade first, right? Maybe we could have a handicapped section of all the people that are handicapped, broke, and fucked up in my Discord. Wonder what we'd call it. And maybe on like the super confident moves. Search for a transaction. Man, when I woke up, I thought it may have been tomorrow. I didn't remember that we were up this morning. Those guys were jackhammering outside, and I streamed this morning. I'm in a limbo, folks. All I see is just green and Bitcoin and dreams and floating in the air. If you guys haven't seen the Clover video, that's a good one too. He did a really good one for us.
What's going on, guys? So I've been talking a little bit recently about how I've been getting more into leverage trading, and part of that has been getting more involved with the trading group, with Crypto Faces trading group, getting into Bytebit, and I think you're
Look at that stud.
To see a few more of these platforms that are starting to kind of move in this direction. You're seeing that with Moonberg. You're seeing that with arbitraging.
I would love to shadow CryptoFace.
Getting into leverage trading, getting into shadow trading. In terms of cryptocurrency trading, CryptoFace has been running one of the most successful trading groups that we've seen in the crypto space for a while.
Well, only a few minutes has actually passed, and I'm already $113 US in the money off of the signal from CryptoFace.
Take what the market gives you.
Let's do this. He's been doing this day in, day out, making like 3-4 grand a time. Leverage trading Bitcoin.
The last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people from Market Cipher don't have it yet. I got it. It takes my mentor's got to flip the switch, and so patience.
On Bybit. I haven't had to look at any charts. I haven't had to do anything. I've just followed blindly his advice, like the other 600 people in his Discord group,
To make sure that you are profiting off of whatever is happening, whether it's going up, especially if it's going down.
Want to check out CryptoFace and his group? I've put links to his YouTube channel, also to his Discord server. You can get into the free chat just by joining, by clicking the link below.
Membership right now is 0.1 Bitcoin to get in. I have a new opportunity that I wanted to present to my audience. So CryptoFace has offered a discount for people that are in my community. So if you message CryptoFace with the code word Clover, he's going to give you a 10% discount. So the trading group entry fee would be 0.09 Bitcoin.
Next signal that comes out from CryptoFace. Man, it's nearly filled. It's nearly filled. Look at that. It's crushing it. Now, this is his Discord group. Like I said, I've linked it below. Check out the link.
It may seem a little bit high, but at first, but once you start kind of getting in and seeing how much you can earn in some of the platforms like Bybit, which is primarily what CryptoFace and I have been using
as well.
But you can use this certainly for BitMEX as well. Those have been the two biggest leverage trading platforms lately. But there's a lot of opportunity to do well on these.
People are getting around about 6 to 70.
If you go back and you look at a few other cryptocurrency YouTubers that are out there that are in the group.
Okay, so let's just see what he's saying.
Seeing Keith Waring, recently turned 0.2 Bitcoin into 5 Bitcoin during that run, following CryptoFace's signals.
Setting his exit to about 6,330.
But knowing when to long, when to short is really the big key indicator that a lot of people are looking for.
So I'm going to go in 15x leverage. Let's have a look at the price that he says I've got to come out.
This is another way to earn in the crypto space, and the discounted membership rate I feel is going to pay for itself over time. A lot of people have made that back within a week, and then at that point it's pure profit, and you're trading with a very experienced trader that has a history.
Oh, I love this
doing
shot.
Well in the market if you're looking at his channel.
I'm not looking to hold it for days. I'm looking to get out of it in 15-minute increments, so maybe in an hour or 2 hours.
Very dialed into the market. He's always, giving his feedback on what he's seeing.
Gnome is an ally of
There's a lot of opportunity to make money, and I think the biggest thing that people really need to have is information on where to base some of their trades.
He's not the mentor.
At
My mentor's like
6,320.
60-something years
Yeah,
old.
I'm going to exit as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close that.
Guys out there that will comment on Bitcoin specifically. Tone Bays is probably the biggest one that comes to mind. But Tone Bays is not actually trading. Like, if you actually watch a lot of his signals and things that he's doing, he's commenting on the technical analysis of Bitcoin, but he's not showing what he's doing in terms of trading, because he doesn't. It's more of just his analysis of what's going on. He is not saying, hey, like I'm going long here, I'm going short here, that sort of thing. There's a lot of people on Twitter. You don't have as much access, to these guys. So CryptoFace trades on a lot of different indicators, but one of the primary indicators that he has developed has been the Market Cipher indicator.
Calls every single bottom and top to the T. It's a must-have for any trader.
So part of this indicator, if you're in his group, you'll see that when you see like green dots as a particular indicator on what's going on in the market, that tends to be a very bullish long sign. And it has actually timed out really well, at least in the recent history that I've been looking at, the Market Cipher indicator and how that translates into long positions.
Automatically interprets the data by spitting out various symbols, which each correspond to a different indication. Here's the key for Cipher A.
CryptoFace uses a 2-account trading strategy.
You know that we run a 2-account trading strategy.
A swing trading strategy, which is more long-term, and a scalping one, which is more of a shorter time frame, something where you're looking at 5, 15 hour time increments, you're going to want to create 2 accounts. You're going to get signals on both of those.
Your scalping account, whether it goes up or down $100, $50, $200, you get in, get out. This is not the account where you are sleeping on trades. This is the account where you are trading when you are active.
There's some different advantages to trading with using 2 different accounts.
And just by having 2 separate accounts, you will find that you will have no problem entering and exiting trades for the scalping. You won't be sitting there. Your greed won't force you to hold a trade, even when the charts are telling you one thing, but your greed is telling you to hold.
Being part of the group, you're going to get trading strategies on swing trading, which is more long-term, as well as scalping, which is going to be more of your short-term, get in, get out. This is an account that you have to be a little bit more tied into. This is a little bit of a different strategy in terms of having everything in one account.
For example, on my main account, my long account, where I put in my long orders, I have the Bitcoin low leverage short and the Ripple low leverage short.
This is one of the better opportunities that I see out there. I don't know of a whole lot of others trading groups where you're seeing somebody that's more present, that's doing YouTube videos, that's out there, and I think that there's definitely a lot of opportunity to make a lot more money in a group like this, as opposed to some of the traditional earnings platforms where you are essentially kind of lending your crypto to a platform with the hopes of making return. When you're investing in this, you're investing in access to a community that is really dialed into the market. There's a lot of opportunity to make money in a trading group like this. So just wanted to give you guys another option. If you're making money in some of the passive income earning space, whether you're in arbitraging, Nova Chain, Dropple, Evo AI when it decides to launch, Moonbird, which have been kind of the top 5. There's several others that are out there. There's other dApps and whatnot, but you can take some of your earnings that you're making in this niche and put them into something where you're a little bit more in control, and you're trading on signals, and you're able to actually earn substantially more trading, leverage trading. You have the opportunity to double your money in a leverage trading group. So there's a much bigger opportunity to earn in the space. It's also high risk. So if you get into a position that you're not comfortable with, the market moves in the way you didn't anticipate, it can hit your stop loss, you can get liquidated. So I think being a part of a group, a trading group that is a little bit more dialed into what is actually going on in the market and where they see price predictions going, I think this is a unique opportunity to get a little bit of a discount and get engaged in a community that's trading that on some of the platforms that have the most opportunity to make gains in the cryptocurrency market. As I get more involved with leverage trading, getting into some of these groups, I'm going to be offering some of my feedback and thoughts and whatnot. But I think this is a good opportunity to get involved with a trader that's an established trader that's giving a lot of different perspectives on where they think the market's going, and not only the Bitcoin market but several other cryptocurrency markets. Typically a lot of things tend to move with Bitcoin or move off of Bitcoin. So if you guys are looking to get a little bit more into leverage trading and you don't want to be tied into your computer like a lot of traders really need to be, you need to have a very good focus when you're getting into trading, and that's been one of the big reasons why over the last 2 years I've gotten a little bit more into the earning style platforms, trading bot platforms, dApps, passive income space, because you don't need to be tied into your computer. With my traveling and some of the things that I've been doing, the market can move on you very, very quickly. I think most people realize that when you're trading with higher leverage, it's a lot more risk, especially if it goes the opposite direction. There's an opportunity that you can get liquidated, or you can hit a stop loss that you have set with these different positions. So I think the more information that you have, the better. And I think that this is an interesting opportunity to get into a group, an established group that has been doing well over the last year and a half. CryptoFace is very active in this group, posts signals roughly
I
a
miss China.
dozen, 2 dozen times in there per day. So he's very,
Take me
very
back,
active.
China.
This is the main thing that he has been really focused on lately. This is a lifetime membership. If you guys have questions with the trading group, you can reach out to me on Telegram or get in my Discord group or reach out to CryptoFace directly.
It could come down one more time, though. If it does, though, I'm probably gonna be alone, longing instead of chonging. Maybe we dance a little bit more before we come back. God, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, baby.
Oh, we're cashing the long, baby.
That's all you need to know. Because we're laughing to the banks, baby. See, when you're getting it, when you get the results, that's all that matters. Good shit.
What's up, everybody? It's the Crypto Crow coming to you live on a Saturday. Is it Saturday? So right now what you're seeing, this is a 4-hour chart, and we're still looking very, very pretty at 87.67. And this guy, he's been on my channel in the past, Crypto Face. He actually invited me on TradingView to check out his indicator, and then he sent me a video to explain like how to use it. And I was actually thoroughly impressed. And so I'm actually going to start using it. If anything, it's just another way to confirm what is happening. And he's not paying me to tell you folks this. It's not an affiliate anything. I'm just always on the lookout for cool tools that help people. And this looks like it could be one. And so I'm going to be diving more into this, but I really kind of like it. And I just think it looks nice. So yeah, expect to start seeing more of that. The indicator is Market Cipher by Crypto Face. It costs 0.1 Bitcoin. What's up, everybody? It's the
I don't know, folks. Should I just close and take my 15K, call it a day, and re-enter lower all over again? Or just let it keep going? Because no sign of stopping. Sid, I know, buddy. I know Daddy's been lazy lately. I've been My dog's attacking me to the music right now. Are you getting down to the music? I know you want to play, huh? I know. I need to get you a girlfriend, dude. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about closing this. I'm thinking about closing it. thinking about closing it. Alright, I'm gonna close some of it. Because I think we can come back down to the 89s. See if I can catch it when it comes up in the 30s maybe. 20s might be a good one. Closed out half of this one. I still have 130k on this other account, 250 on this one, so I'm still in 380. Look at this Photoshop channel. It's funny. Another dude that used to be annoying and brand new when he was in the whale crew turned him into a savage. Yeah, I'll get back in the 89s. 89.50, 89.20, but the thing is this green is thick. This green is thick. I might be regretting exiting. It's hard to exit, I know, but you gotta do it. You gotta take your profits, secure your profits. I have 2 accounts firing on both cylinders, so that makes it easier. I only closed half. Wow, look at this. One of our whales started with 0.17 Bitcoin. He now has 1.7 Bitcoin. He has 10x'd his account 1, 2, 3. He's 10x in his account. I don't know how long, doesn't have dates, but another account to 10x. Way to go, Boo Guy made another $470. The whale discussion. My people, my people. The market cipher discussion are also my people. Everyone now has market cipher. The last batch was entered. Ronnie, you got it. Position trader, Kirk, Chrisith, Steve, Ronnie K, Roar Kiwi, Kirk the Ripper. Have fun with your market cipher. Looks like we may have exited at a good time. Looks like we may have exited at the right time. Good shit. Look, just repeating the same pattern again. Same thing again. All time frames. I'm trying to tell you, Russian spritzers, I have to come up with a name for this double, whatever it is. This thing. The station is fire today. Fire. It's on fire. Just like we were on fire. Let's eat that 270s. Good for you. Haven't handled any of the errands I need to. I just slept. Does kind of look like a camel. You're right. The humpback. It's got 2 humpbacks in its neck. You are totally right, dude. Totally looks like a camel. Question is, what kind of camel? Is it the Korean camel? We are just ice skating. Just might actually go up a little higher. No, they will not Q-horn. No, Bybit, you don't gotta worry about Bybit pulling a BitMEX and shutting down your account. time I've entered a short. I've had actually my past 3 little short entries who've ended up taken right off the books within minutes. So no short scalping. We are not in the right environment. Even if it's on one time frame, it kind of tells you like you gotta, it's not confirming with others. The money flow green wave is thick green. That's when we are most bullish. When the money flows in the red, that's when we see nice drops. Hold a trade as long as you want to. I don't tweet, but my brother's supposed to be making one for me and handling that department. I need some food. I haven't eaten. Food is ordered. Oh. Yes, there are videos on how to read Market Cipher in the Discord. Market Cipher videos. Here's a few to get started with. This is the one Crow was talking about. Winning Every Trade, Chapter 1. I use ExpressVPN. It is the best VPN I have ever used. It's the simplest, it's the fastest. Go with ExpressVPN, not Nord. I use Express. Alright, I think I kind of want to take a little break from the stream. When I woke up, saw the action, I knew I had to get on. Shout out to everyone who's been in the long. Stay strong. And yeah, See you guys later.